create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. It doesn't matter what color the text is. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Lower the fill of this text layer to 0%. Click on the FX icon and select Stroke. Pick a stroke color. You can find the settings I used here. Select the Rectangle tool. Select Shape. Pick a fill color. This will be the color of the wave inside of the text. Select No Color for the stroke. Make a rectangle that covers part of the text. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the rectangle and select Warp. Create a wave shape on the top part of the rectangle. Place the rectangle layer between the two text layers. Right-click on the rectangle layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Select the bottom text layer. Make the text the same color as the background. And that's how you create this text effect.